Meet No KYC VOIP, the professional voice-over IP client that puts you in full control. We start on the clean and modern dialer interface. As you can see, it's beautifully designed with dark mode and smooth animations. Let's explore the powerful call spoofing feature. Here you can set any display number you want. Watch as I change it to 911. You can also enable caller ID spoofing with just one click. Voice modulation and number validation features are available for even more advanced control. Now back to the dialer. Let's dial 911 using our spoofed number. The call connects instantly. You get crystal clear, HD audio, encrypted connection, and excellent call quality. During the call, you have full control with mute, hold, record, and transfer options. After ending the call, it appears instantly in the call history with accurate details and duration. The app also includes contacts, call recording, analytics, notifications, and full SIP account settings. Whether you need complete privacy or professional call features, No KYC VOIP delivers a premium experience with no compromises. Simple, powerful, private.